Hey besties, it's Luv Nicholas here. Today we're chatting about something super important to me: how to stand on your own 2 feet in a world that wants you to rely on others. In our busy world, it's easy to feel like we always need someone or something to help us get by. But what if you could take charge and become more independent? In this video, we'll look at 10 habits that can help you do just that. From managing your money to being mindful, these habits will make you feel stronger and more confident. Whether you want to get better at cooking, manage your time better, or handle tough situations, there's something here for everyone. Let's get started. When it comes to standing on your own 2 feet, managing your money is key. Besties, let's talk about budgeting, saving, and investing. First, making a budget is like drawing a map to financial freedom. Track your income and spending, and make sure you're not spending more than you earn. Next, saving is super important. You need an emergency fund. Think of it as your safety net. Try to save enough money to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Investing is another important part of being financially independent. Learn about different investment options like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. If you're not sure where to start, talk to a financial advisor. Financial independence is a journey, and every little bit helps. Cooking your own meals is a brilliant way to be more independent and look after your health. Besties, I know cooking can seem scary, but honestly, it's easier than you think. Start with simple, healthy recipes that don't need lots of ingredients or time. One of the best ways to make cooking less scary is to plan your meals for the week. Make a meal plan and a shopping list. Don't be afraid to try new things in the kitchen. Experiment with new ingredients, spices, and ways of cooking. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Cooking at home lets you choose what you eat. You can pick fresh, healthy ingredients and avoid all the extra stuff often found in restaurant food and processed food. This is good for your health and makes you feel good about yourself. Being emotionally independent means being strong and understanding yourself. Besties, relying on others to feel good can be tiring for you and them. Start by noticing your emotions and understanding why you feel them. Writing in a diary can help. Be kind to yourself, especially when things are tough. Things like deep breathing, meditation, and mindfulness can help you stay calm. It's also important to feel good about yourself. Do things that make you happy, whether it's a hobby, exercise, or spending time with people you love. Becoming emotionally independent takes time, and every step makes you stronger. Chapter 4. Problem solving. Solving problems well is really important for being self-sufficient. Besties, let's look at some ways to tackle challenges. First, clearly understand the problem. Break it down into smaller bits so it doesn't feel too big. Next, think of possible solutions. Be creative and consider everything. Write down your ideas and think about the good and bad points of each. Once you've chosen a solution, make an action plan. List the steps you need to take and set realistic deadlines. Being flexible is important when solving problems. Think about the result to learn from it and get better at solving problems in the future. Chapter 5. Looking after yourself. Looking after yourself is important for your physical and mental health. Besties, let's talk about creating routines that are good for your body and mind. Start with the basics. Get enough sleep, eat healthy food, and drink plenty of water. Do some exercise every day. Exercise keeps your body fit and releases happy chemicals that make you feel good and less stressed. Make time each day to relax. Do things you enjoy and that help you recharge. Remember, looking after yourself isn't selfish, it's important for your well-being. Chapter 6. Learning new things. Learning new things is a great way to become more self-sufficient. Besties, let's explore how fun it is to learn new skills. Whether it's a new language, a musical instrument, or a craft, learning keeps your mind sharp and opens doors to new things. Start by thinking about what interests you. Set small, achievable goals to stay motivated. Use resources like online courses and tutorials. Remember, the goal isn't just to learn a new skill, but to enjoy the process. Chapter 7. Managing your time. Managing your time well is crucial for being self-sufficient. Besties, let's look at some ways to make the most of your time. Start by deciding what's most important and do those things first. Use to-do lists or digital planners to keep track of what you need to do. Break your tasks into smaller, easier chunks. Set deadlines for each task to stay on track. Get rid of distractions to work better. Create a workspace and set boundaries to minimize interruptions. Taking regular breaks can actually help you be more productive and avoid burnout. Chapter 8. Building a support network. Having people you can rely on is important for being self-sufficient. Besties, let's talk about building and maintaining good relationships. Start by thinking about the people in your life who are supportive. Stay in touch with them and show them you appreciate them. Join groups that share your interests. Whether it's a hobby group, a professional organization, or a volunteer group, being part of a community can give you support and encouragement. Asking for help isn't a sign of weakness. It shows strength and self-awareness. Chapter 9. Setting personal goals. Setting and achieving goals is a key part of being self-sufficient. Besties, let's explore how to create goals that inspire you. Start by figuring out what you really want to achieve. Your goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Smart. Break your goals down into smaller steps. Celebrate every milestone, no matter how small. Create a vision board or journal to picture your goals. Achieving your goals is a journey, and each step brings you closer to self-sufficiency. Chapter 10. Practicing mindfulness. Being mindful is a great way to stay in the present moment and reduce stress. Besties, let's explore some mindfulness techniques to help you stay grounded. Start with simple things like deep breathing exercises. Meditation is another good way to be mindful. Try to be mindful in your everyday activities. Whether you're eating, walking, or working, try to focus on the present moment. Pay attention to your senses and how your body feels. Being grateful can make you feel better overall and help you stay positive. Thanks so much for watching, Besties. I hope you found these 10 habits helpful and inspiring. Remember, becoming self-sufficient takes time, and every little bit helps. Don't be too hard on yourself. Celebrate your progress and keep going. I'd love to hear what you think of this video. What habits are you going to try? What topics would you like me to talk about in future videos? Your feedback is really important, so please share your ideas in the comments below. Until next time, take care and keep working towards self-sufficiency. You've got this. I'm Luv Nicholas, signing off. See you in the next video.